I'm tired.
Some
See,
people are
I'm
not
sweating
willing
below
enough
me.
to
Okay,
believe
I
in
just figured the
themselves.
second one was so much easier.
But what are you gonna do?
And I fixed back the chair that pulled
How
out,
will you
that
make a
I break.
difference?
Yeah, I
How
kind
will
of
you
break the
stand?
chair. So
How
here
would you
we
fight?
go. I think
There
I
are
might
many
have to do an
battles
adjustment somewhere.
that we all face in life.
This one, I
Certain
don't know. But we'll see.
circumstances will
Yeah.
come into your life.
Because it shouldn't be off.
These
And
battles
one
that
of them
we
is
face
off.
each and every day of
And I
our
don't know why.
lives.
It was supposed to
That
be.
sometimes we just don't feel that
Shouldn't
we're
be off.
prepared for.
I'll sort that out
But we
tomorrow.
must find a
I'm
way.
too tired.
We must
There's
find a
one
way
in.
and
See?
understanding that
It's
this
supposed to
thing
be
that
in
we are
and in.
dealing
I don't
with
know.
right
This
now
one
in
is
our lives
perfect. This one
is only
I need to sort
temporary.
right here out.
It's temporary and it will not
Ah,
last
see I
forever.
marked the line here
You must realize
and
that you
he
must
cut
grow
here.
enough
So that's why I'm
tenacity
up.
within yourself